My fridge went out and I have no idea how to fix it.
I'll call Smith Brothers Appliance Repair.
Smith Brothers, how can I help you?
I woke up in the morning and found water all over the kitchen floor. My fridge is not cooling and I don't know what to do.
Ma'am, even if you don't know a wrench from a hammer, you can have your trouble-free appliance repaired at a time convenient to you.
Okay then, let's make an appointment.
It's all done. We work fast.
Smith Brothers are the best. Thank you so much.
Call us 888-878-7227 to have your home appliance repaired.